That's how we changed the game on safety again. One crash, one legend, one truth. Most crash fatalities occur between moving vehicles. So we designed this test as a true car-to-car impact to mirror real-world conditions. When impact meets its match, what remains is pure engineering truth. When two legends collide, you don't witness destruction. It's simply an orchestra of precision. This is how safety evolves, how legends lead, and how millions of journeys stay protected every single day. Because what starts in this lab changes what happens on every road outside it. That's how a legend raises the bar, not by following norms, but by redefining them.